At Shamul Haq and I am going to explain use of could today. The most precise definition that we have of could is that the could is the past tense of can. Now we are going towards the characteristics. We have four basic characteristics of could and I will explain you one by one. First of all, the could refers to ability of something. For example, I can say that when I was younger, I could run for miles. जब मैं जवान था मैं मीलों तक भाग सकता था note that word sakta is referring to the ability that he has that he had possessed in his younger age. Now the second characteristic of could is that it also reflect upon the possibility of a present. For example, we could have as many as 10 people come to dinner tonight. आज इशाया में 10 लोग आ सकते हैं that sakte is again referring to the ability that the could is having in it. The third characteristic is that refers to the impossible will of the past of a doer or subject, whatever it is. For example, I can say that we could have won if we had practice. हम जीत सकते थे अगर हमने मेहनत की होती. Again, that sakte he is referring to the ability that we can possess in the past, but unfortunately that we had not won. The fourth thing of could is the fourth characteristic is annoyance.
Okay, this is very powerful, and the use of body language, that TPR, total physical response, is wonderful. Keep it up like this, huh? Try to make some tutorials for YouTube. This video